Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. This is our very first off-road adventure with the CRF 300 big bore kit. It's actually a 301 from 550 Performance. If you missed that video, go check it out. Let's go ahead and turn ABS off. Alright, ABS is off. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I haven't rode out here in a long time, so these trails should be pretty dry. It hasn't rained here in a while. And bear with me if the audio sounds different. I'm trying out the Insta360 pair with my Cardo. I'm gonna get the Insta360 Ace Pro. It as well is supposed to be able to link up with the Cardo. So being able to just hit go on the camera and use the Cardo as a microphone is going to be amazing. But let me tighten up this stick real quick. She's wobbling on me. Alright, let's try that out. Spider webs everywhere. Down tree branch. Turning ABS off. So much fun. So like I mentioned, if you haven't seen the big bore upgrade video, Connor and I did the 301 big bore kit from 550 Performance, new ECU, obviously paired with exhaust, the intake, and a different jug, JE piston, and this bike is an absolute animal. I talked to the guys, obviously, who developed this thing, and, you know, they said about 9,000 RPMs is where you want to let it live at, you know, shifting, because after that, the power tends to taper off after that. It has just been so freaking hot here in Florida. It's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's still like 90-something degrees with like a heat index of, I think it said it feels like 102 out. The humidity is just horrible. I got to get me some better hand guards. To get me some better knuckle guards. I'm going to stay straight. Bike is definitely a whole nother beast when you do the 301 big bore kit. All the torque and power is just so linear. It just, oh man, it just feels like a totally different bike. I think it went from I think from the factory, getting crap in my eyes. It's like a 288 cc. Now it's a 301 cc. Damn, I should have brought my clear lens out. I am getting shit all in my eyes. Can't put my face mask down a little bit. God, I'm getting all kind of debris in my eye. Let's see if that helps. gonna make it harder. Oh well. Comment down below and let me know how the audio is with the having the Cardo unit hooked up to the 360 camera. From what I read, it's pretty good. They said you can actually like you can capture your riding partner's audio too as well. I haven't obviously have that all set up yet. Still getting used to all the Insta360 components. I ditched GoPro. GoPro is everything of the past now that Insta360 is in the game. I do enjoy making content though with this 360 camera. It's just crazy how, I don't know, the camera quality on this thing out of the box, the Insta360 X4, Insta360 hit this one out the park. And I just got this motorcycle kit, so I'm also filming this and then trying to see if you know, if I like where it's currently mounted at. And we do have a Razor build, an e-bike build coming up. That thing should rip about 70 miles an hour once I get done with it. Longest part is waiting on my freaking battery to come in from China. I think it's an average of like 2 months for those things before you actually get them. So mine is legit on a freaking boat right now. Sliding a little bit. I do have some aftermarket tires on here too. They're like a 50/50 street and trail tire, so, and the sand out here in Florida is super soft. What's that thing they say? When in doubt, throttle it out. Whee. Second gear may be a little too much for these trails. Alright, let's see. Which way do we want to go? I guess we're left. Beauty about having a liquid cooled bike. You ain't got to worry about this thing getting hot out here. If I had an oil cooled bike like the Honda Monkey, it gets hot and I have to take a break every like 10 or 15 minutes buzzing through these trails. First gear is pretty much useless out here. All it wants to do is spin with the ABS off. Somebody else is coming. There we go. Should be a little bit more hard packed. If you guys enjoy this riding content like this, let me know. Oi, bruv. Really? Bunk. Fun. Somebody's fender well off their truck. Third gear. Get too throttle happy. Man, having that big bore kit paired with that Yosh exhaust sounds amazing. Definitely wakes the bike up. I didn't intend for this video to be super long, so pretty much just a trial run. But I figured for my first time coming out here on these trails, with the big bore kit. Might as well take you all along, right? But yeah, that was a blast. Here's the end of this trail. Oh, don't tell me, is it raining? No, it ain't raining. Okay, that is going to do it for today's video. Like I said, this is just a demonstration video of trying out the Cardo with the Insta360 X4 using my internal mic inside my helmet. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.